What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you are shopping for a home EV charger and want something fast, durable, and built to last, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the MSI EV Life Plus, a hardwired level 2 charger that's making a strong case for being one of the best home charging solutions on the market right now. Let's get into everything it offers. The MSE EV Life Plus is a hardwired 240-volt level 2 charger running at 60 amperes and delivering 14.4 kilowatts of power. It features an NACS connector, the Tesla native standard that's rapidly becoming the North American industry norm, making it compatible with Tesla vehicles and the growing list of EVs adopting the NACS port. The unit has a clean all-black design with a compact footprint built for both indoor garage mounting and outdoor installation. Let's walk through what makes this charger stand out. Charging speed at 14.4 kilowatts and 60 amperes. This charger adds between 43 and 59 miles of range per hour. For the average EV driver, that means a full charge overnight, every night, without a second thought. Cable length. The charging cable stretches 24.6 feet. That kind of reach means no awkward parking maneuvers. Whether you pull in nose first, back in, or park at an angle, the cable reaches comfortably. Weather and impact resistance. The unit carries an IP55 rating for water and dust resistance, making it fully suitable for outdoor use in rain, humidity, or dusty environments. It's also IK08 impact rated, meaning it can withstand physical knocks, important for garage environments where things get bumped. RFID access control. The charger comes with an RFID card, so only authorized users can activate it. This is a practical feature for shared driveways, multi-unit housing, or simply keeping your equipment secure. Certifications. The MSI EV Life Plus is UL2594 certified and Energy Star compliant. These are not just checkboxes. UL certification matters for home insurance supports, and Energy Star compliance can qualify you for utility rebates and fair tax incentives depending on your location. Warranty: 5 years of product warranty backed by comprehensive global customer support. That's among the longest coverage periods in this product category. As a hardwired unit, professional installation by a licensed electrician is required. A dedicated 60 ampere 240-volt circuit needs to be run from your breaker panel to the mounting location. Installation costs typically range from $200 to $800 depending on the distance from the panel and your home's existing electrical capacity. Once wired, the unit mounts securely to any wall surface. Its compact dimensions, roughly 9 inches wide and 14 inches tall, make placement easy even in smaller garage spaces. This charger is strong fit for Tesla owners and any EV drivers whose vehicles uses the NACS connector. It's also a smart choice for homeowners who want a permanent high-powered charging setup with outdoor durability, security features, and long-term warranty coverage. For anyone still using a level 1 charger or a low ampere level 2 unit, the jump to 60 amperes and 14.4 kilowatts is significant and noticeable upgrade. The MSI EV Life Plus delivers where it counts: fast charging speeds, rugged build quality, certified safety standards, smart access control, and a warranty that actually means something. If you are investing in a permanent home charging solution, this is one worth seriously considering. Check the description for pricing and purchase links. If you found this useful, leave a like, subscribe for more EV content, and drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.